Here is a day in my life as a first year NAAP student. So I woke up at 7 a.m. and here's what I look like in the morning. Very fresh ang atake, charis. So I had pancit canton, sweet and spicy for breakfast. It's my go-to talaga sa umaga since it's very easy to make and masarap naman talaga. So kaya kong mabuhay ng walang boyfriend pero hindi ko kaya mabuhay ng walang kape. So coffee is love in the morning. May quiz kami today sa pop culture, so I reviewed a little bit and also took down some notes para sa graded recitation namin sa ethics. So here, tapos na ako maligo, pero hindi na para ipakita ko pa sa inyo yun, diba? Nag-toothbrush na ako at uminom ng vitamins para healthy. And I started my makeup with my skin prep, which is the Dazzle Me sunscreen. And I also applied concealer to hide any dark spots and powder to prevent oiliness of skin. I put on my ring and sprayed my perfume para mabango, diba? So, oras na para pumasok. Kasabay ko nga si Cass na pumasok ng school. And here, nasa fields ka na tayo at nag-aantay ng aming first sub, which is PatFit. So, false alarm. Sa upper gym pala kami magpa-PatFit. So, umakyat na kami. Nag-discuss si ma'am ng gagawin namin exercises for our practical next week. At ayan kami nag-practice para sa practical namin next week para hindi gahol sa oras, diba? So, after ng PatFit class namin, nagpalit lang ako into my department shirt since Wednesday. Ayan, pupunta kami ng canteen para kumain. I bought egg sandwich kasi I'm not really hungry since nag-early lunch naman ako bago umalis for school. Masarap naman. And yan, yung mga cats sa school namin, super cute, diba? So it's time for our second class, which is pop culture. Nag-quiz kami and naka 13/15 naman ako. So worth it naman yung pag-review ko, diba? So after ng pop culture, may time pa kami para mag-library at mag-review para sa recitation namin later sa ethics. So nag-discuss lang kami sa aming dalawang subject at sa ethics naman nakasagot ako sa recitation, guys. Yehey! Oras na para umuwi. Hindi. Magmamakati tayo, guys, kasama si Cass kasi sayang naman yung oras na gumala, diba? So nag-MRT kami pa Ayala Station at we're here sa Glorieta, my childhood mall, since lagi akong dinadala ni mama dito dati nung bata ako. So a lot of memories here. Ayan, nag-McDo kami para sulit deal kasi tayong Pinoy mahilig talaga sa mga sulit deals at sa mga tig 99, diba? So, ayan. Being in Makati always made me realize that we should always enjoy our everyday life, our everyday experiences with other people, and with ourselves. Because no matter how tiring life can get, there's always something to look forward to. And that is something I firmly believe in. And I enjoy life because I want to explore new things about myself I haven't discovered yet, and new places. And I hope that you will do the same because life is truly beautiful.